Holliday resort, 2 double bedroom pool villas for rent per day or per week. So you've got an option of both. So you can rent the smaller villa for 499 baht a day, and the larger villas start at 899 a day for 4 people. The villa's got private parking for 2 cars, and also it's got a barbecue area. It's got an extensive kitchen outside the villa, and there's a front and back kitchen. There's 3 kitchens that the villa can use, and loads and loads of garden space. If you've got a small dog, you can keep the small dog inside the gates at the back. There's a gate, so you can go inside here. Lots and lots of fruit trees. So the villa has got outside for, you can sit outside basically and eat or drink. There's 2 tables, I'll bring another one across. And here's the living room and a small place to eat as well inside, and smart TV. And you've got 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, and then it's got a patio door, so you can actually just open the door and go out into the garden. The pool's about 5 metres. 5 metres from the villa, so no far to walk. And the villa's got 2 toilets. The pool's got 2 toilets, a shower, and a small kitchen at the side. So you can cook over there as well. And at the back of the swimming pool, there's a big lake, and beside the lake's got a barbecue, so you can make a barbecue over there. Keep forgetting that this is the 2nd bedroom. Same again, patio doors leading out to the garden. We're going to put a marble table out there. I've got it. It's just no boys are working at the moment because of the planting the rice. So when I come back, I'll bring a really nice table to put there so people can sit outside and they can eat. Electric shower, toilet, wash and basin. Smaller kitchen inside the property, which is just for tea, coffee and basic microwave. But if you want to do cabinets, if you want to do cooking, you can go outside. Oh, there's a washing machine as well. Washing machine. Round the back here, there's a kitchen, so you can cook. It's got a wee oven and rice cooker. And like I say, the garden's private as well. At the back it's got gates, so if you've got a wee dog, the wee dog can stay inside here. But if you want to go into the garden, you're alright from the garden to the pool. There's a really extensive kitchen beside the office as well. You've got places here to sit as well. If you want to eat or drink, you can sit inside here. It's nice and quiet. It's a nice quiet place to stay. 2 toilets, like I said before. Kitchen down here. So you can go and cook something here as well if you want. Inside here. You can relax at the pool as well. It's got tables, umbrella, small table for 1 person to sit and drink, or 2 people could put on their chair. But the gardens are nice as well, nice and quiet. The 2 double bedroom villa, also a 1 bedroom villa at the back. I've just converted one from a 2 into a 4 bedroom, but we're using it at the moment. So if you decide to build another one at the back, then we can rent this one out. This is a 4 bedroom, but at the moment we're staying here. So you can come and have a look at it. It's a Holliday resort in Udonthani, so not far from the city. You can sort of maybe 20 minutes run for the city, but you're close to Nong Khai, and you've got a lot of nice places in Nong Khai to go and visit. The Sleeping Buddha and the Salaku Temple and the statue parks. There's a lot of places to visit, and nice and quiet, like I said. I'll take you for a quick look again, and that's it. That's about basically the look around it. So that's a living room and a small place to eat, and 2 double bedrooms and a ensuite shower. Shower suite. Kitchen. I'll take you to view another kitchen as well. There's a really big one over there. You can eat in that, and I'll show you the parking. The parking's all undercover, so if you've got a fancy car, it'll not get hot. Okay, I'm going to go and show you the car. The villa sits at the back of the fruit trees, so it's well protected from the sun, and it's nice for privacy as well. Just down here's the villa. I'll go and show you the parking. That's the office over here. Then down here you've got private parking.